bonds versus bolts? Which do you trust in your assembly? The objective of this demonstration is to compare the strength of Loctite structural adhesives versus bolts. In order to illustrate this point, we have created this steel assembly bonded with Loctite 331 structural acrylic adhesive with activator 7387, Loctite H8100 speed bonder methyl methacrylate structural adhesive, Loctite E30 UT high sol epoxy adhesive, and finally, a 1/4 inch bolted joint. When a load is put on this assembly, the bolted joint will fail prior to the adhesively bonded joints. This failure occurs at approximately 2,300 pounds force. The bolt fails first because the stress applied to the joint is concentrated around the bolt, while on the adhesively bonded joints, the stress is distributed evenly over the 1 inch by 1 inch bond area. How much stronger is a bond versus a bolt? Let's see what happens when we remove the weak link, bolts, from the equation. Here we have a steel assembly bonded with Loctite H8100. When a load is put on this assembly, cohesive failure occurs at approximately 3,800 pounds force, nearly twice that of the bolted assembly. By spreading out the load applied to the joint, bonds provide more strength than bolts in a finished assembly. Which do you trust in your assembly?